Okay, this is the S620. We're going to dismantle this. This is the tools we're going to use to do the job. This is the unit. It's in kind of bad shape, but it's complete, and it will show you how to dismantle to replace an LCD screen, main board, or anything else you may need to replace. First thing we need to do is remove 6 screws from the phone. There's 2 at the top. These are actually normally covered by a rubber bung, which you'll need to remove first. On this phone they're actually missing, but yours will probably have, your screws will probably be covered up, so you just need to remove the bungs first and then remove the screws underneath. Remove the battery cover, and there will be four more screws underneath. All 4 need to be removed. Once the screws are removed, we need to use the safe pry tool to pry open the phone. There's about 6 clips located around the phone which need to be pried open so we can safely remove the casing. All sides. Once you have opened all the clips, you can remove the casing from the phone. This reveals the main board. There is 3 connections to the main board which need to be released. The first you can simply unclip. The second, you need to release the small hinge before removing the ribbon. You will need to do exactly the same thing with the third. There are a few more tabs, but you should now be able to remove the main board. With the main board removed, there is just one more layer that needs to be taken off before you can access the LCD screen. This is being held in with some more clips that need to be released. Again, do this with the pry tool. With the last layer removed, simply pull back the cables and you can release the LCD screen.